Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will take an in-depth look at Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, and now we're here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 15th of January, 2025, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.69. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, experiencing a loss of 0.11% thus far. This amounts to an average daily decline of 0.03% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 8.29% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 5.44% to 14.80%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 34.52% over the next year, with a possible return between 16.68% and 41.69%. This translates to a price range between $719.29 to $873.48 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, "Evaluation of Meta stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Meta stock price increased by approximately 0.6% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, rising from $612.77 to $616.46. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.05%, reaching a low of $609.01 and a high of $621.50. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a gain of 1.96%. The trading volume decreased on the last day by 5 million shares, with a total of 11 million shares exchanged, amounting to about $7.08 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, serving as a potential early warning of changes in the market over the next few days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $638.40, while the lowest price was $382.08. Currently, the stock price is 3.44%, or $21.94, below the 52-week high of $638.40, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Meta is making headlines today with several notable developments that could influence its stock performance in both the short and long term. Firstly, the company is reportedly developing Oakley-branded smart glasses aimed at athletes, reflecting its commitment to blending technology with daily activities. This innovation may enhance consumer interest and sales in new product lines, diversifying Meta's offerings and potentially strengthening its position in the wearables market. Additionally, there are reassessments of Meta's market potential, as consensus estimates appear too low. Many analysts are underestimating its robust digital advertising capacity and operational efficiency. Despite concerns regarding capital expenditures, the company has demonstrated a strategic focus through recent efficiency measures, including layoffs. If Meta continues to execute well on its initiatives, this could drive investor confidence and positively affect the stock price. In a bid to counter TikTok's dominance, Meta is rolling out a new program that incentivizes TikTok creators to share content on Instagram and Facebook, offering bonuses of up to $5,000. This strategy aims to bolster user engagement on its platforms, potentially leading to increased advertising revenues as creators fuel content growth. Moreover, Meta's adjustments in its fact-checking approach, ending third-party checks in the United States while maintaining them in Europe, may impact perceptions of platform credibility and user trust. The long-term effects could be significant as the company navigates regulatory challenges. These developments collectively underscore Meta's proactive approach to expanding its market presence and retaining user engagement. The impact on stock price will largely depend on execution and market reception in the coming months. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned Meta a strong buy grade along with a hold action. On Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, Wells Fargo assigned Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, KeyBank assigned Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, Wolfe Research assigned Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Meta stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, along with the price-to-book ratio, which is also deemed a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected from the levels at $610.87 and $607.46. A drop below any of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, serving as a potential early warning. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is advised. Some negative signals have also been generated, which may influence short-term developments. A sell signal was issued following a pivot top point on Monday, January 6, 2025, with the stock having declined by 2.18% so far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 26 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 33 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 116 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 109 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta has found support from accumulated volume at $591.80. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when this support is tested. Overall, the stock typically exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered very low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $12.49 between its high and low, which translates to a change of 2.05%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.43%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively normal, often observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 29th of January, 2025. Analysts are currently estimating earnings at $6.75 per share. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $617.12. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $591.80. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of January, 2025, Elkan John made an insider purchase of 1,752 shares of restricted stock units, Class A. On the same day, Elkan John also made an insider purchase of 247 shares of restricted stock units, Class A. On the 15th of January, 2025, White Dana conducted an insider purchase of 1,752 shares of restricted stock units, Class A. On that same day, White Dana also purchased 247 shares of restricted stock units, Class A. On the 15th of January, 2025, Songhurst Charles executed an insider purchase of 1,752 shares of restricted stock units, Class A. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 35.703. In total, insiders have purchased 77,625 shares and sold 165,056 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $592.67, reflecting a decrease of 3.86%. This stock experiences very low daily movements, which translates to a low level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 9 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Meta stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 22nd of January, we anticipate Meta to open lower by 80 cents and begin trading at $615.66. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.